This video is provided for educational and informational purposes only. The content shared here should not be considered financial, investment, legal, tax, or professional advice. Always conduct your own research and verify any information before making decisions or taking action. Any examples, opinions, or results discussed are for illustration only and may not reflect your own experience. All activities involve risk, and you are solely responsible for your decisions and their outcomes. By continuing to watch, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your actions. Now let's get started.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Tag Market account to MetaTrader 5 so that it can track all trades that are being made automatically for you via copy S. So before watching this video, I'll leave the links to my other previous videos. You can watch to understand how this system really works before proceeding with me. So as it stands now, you have already deposited your account, deposited money into your broker called Tag Market. At the same time, you have connected to a strategy. So the next thing you need to do is to connect to your MetaTrader 5 to track the trades that comes on board daily. So how do you do that? So you log into your Tag Market dashboard. You can search for portal.tagmarkets.com and then you log into your account. Once you log into your account, you'll be represented with your back office, as you can see from here. From here at the very top here, just click these 3-4 lines at the top, which brings you to the menu, and then you scroll to the very bottom, and then to the bottom you can see we have copy S right here. Tap on that. If you click on this second tab you see from the one in the middle, tap on it. That is followers hub, and then you scroll to the bottom, and then you scroll to the very bottom. You're going to find your MetaTrader 5 credentials. So that is your MT5 credentials. So from here you will need your MetaTrader 5 or MT5 account, and then at the same time you need your investor password. These are the two details that you need in order to connect to MetaTrader 5. So you also have to go ahead and check on your credentials. You'll be seeing MT5 account that starts with 50 and a certain hash. So copy that, and then you look out for investor passwords. These are the two things that you need in order to get your account connected to MetaTrader. So now, after you have gotten your credentials, you need to go to App Store or Play Store and get this app downloaded. It's called MetaTrader 5. So get it installed and tap on the application. So once you click on the application, this is how it's going to look like. Once you see this interface, come to the very top and click on the 3 lines you see at the very top. Then you go ahead and tap on Get Started. Then from here at the very top, you go ahead and tap on the plus symbol at the very top, as you can see. Tap on the plus symbol, as you can see at the top. Then in the Find Broker, we're going to search for the broker's name. So the Tag Market broker's name, the alliance's name is T.M and then financials. So as you start typing, you're going to see it as appears right here. Tap on that, and as you can see from where you see login, you paste in the MT5 account credential. I paste it right there, and then your password, you paste it right here. After you're done, you will go ahead and tap on login. So that's basically how you proceed with this. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll be available to attend to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to friends so that you never, also your friends don't miss any new updates that I post on my channel. Until then, thank you and see you again in the next video.